Hello friends, welcome to Network Guruji. In this video, we will learn how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB pen drive. First, we need to download the Windows 11 ISO. Open your browser. In the search bar, type Windows 11 ISO download. Now click on the official Microsoft website download link. Scroll down and select Windows 11 disk image and press confirm. Now choose your language and press confirm. Let's click on the download button. It will take few minutes to download. I have already downloaded it. After downloading the Windows ISO, we need a tool to create a bootable USB pen drive called Rufus. In the search bar, type Rufus and press enter. Now click on the official Rufus website link. Scroll down to the download section. Click on Rufus Standard to download the file. Rufus does not need installation. Click on it and open Rufus. Insert your USB pen drive. Make sure your USB pen drive has at least 8 GB storage. In the boot selection option, choose the Windows 11 ISO file. Keep the partition scheme as GPT and target system as UEFI. Keep the partition scheme as GPT and target system as UEFI. Also remember all data on this pen drive will be deleted, so please take a backup before continuing. Now click Start. Keep both of these checkboxes ticked at the top. This is to bypass the TPM requirement and the Microsoft Online account. Wait for a few minutes. After the process is completed, your Windows 11 bootable pen drive is ready.